Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bidemi again, your workplace skills tutor. First of all, I would like to appreciate everyone who has taken their time to subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't yet done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate if you can do that just right now. Okay, yesterday we did a number of things. We learned some elementary things about Excel, and today we'll just take it a step further. So I'll be doing some couple of things, and I'll appreciate if you can pay attention and just follow what I'm doing step after the other. So what I'll do now is, first of all, to create a sheet. I told you that in a workbook you can open different sheets. So this is a workbook, and I just have one sheet and I want to create another sheet. So I created this sheet now and I want to give it a name. I can double tap on it and say test sheet. Okay, so I can also give it a color like we did yesterday. Right click and give it a color green, light green. So I want to copy some data from here. Then I'll paste it. So let me use the functions in my ribbon so that you can get to see what I'm doing. So this is the copy function. I'll copy, then I'll come here, click on the cell where I like to paste it, then I use the paste function. So it's pasted now. So if you notice that I don't have any space before my first column, right? But I can still create a space if I want, even though I have pasted there. So what you can do is just to highlight the whole first column, right click, right click, and do insert. So once you do that, it shifts the old data to the right and creates you a space there. So another thing you can do is to expand the column width. So select from the first column where you have your data to the last column where you have your data. Hover your mouse on the line and drag it to the right, and then the column width is expanded, right? What you can also do is to align your text to the center. Select any part of the data and do Ctrl A on your keyboard, right? And come to your ribbon and choose the center option. So everything is aligned to the center. While still highlighted, you can go to your border menu and click on the arrow and then select all border. Okay, so that's pretty simple and easy. So a couple of things we can also do is to say, okay, we want to get the total and average salary. So before we do that, let's go ahead and also give border to this last two rows, right? I've selected it and I come here and give it a border. Okay, and I want my total salary to be here and my average salary to be here. So but I can see that these two cells are already bordered and they are demarcated, but I can actually merge them together, right? So I want to merge cell B10 and cell C10 together. I'll just highlight the two cells, come to my ribbon and select merge and center, right? You can see that the cells are merged. I can also come to this and also do the same thing. Select cell B11 and highlight to cell C11 and select my merge and center. You can see. So I'll type inside the cell total and average. So then what I can do now is to get my total salary. Remember I told you yesterday that every Excel function and formula starts with an equal sign. All right, so we start with an equal sign, equals sum. So this is the sum formula or function. You double tap on it and then you can select from your first cell where you have your salary, right? And you can drag down. Okay, once you have dragged down, you just hit enter and then you have your total salary. Okay, let's also do our average salary. You start with your equal sign and you type average, you double tap on it right? Select from your first cell, drag down, enter. So that's our average salary. So I think I also want it aligned to the center. I click on the two cells together. I align the text to the center. Okay, so I can say maybe I want this part to be bold. Okay, and maybe I want my top row to be bold as well. Okay, I think it's looking beautiful. So what you can also do is to also increase the row length. Okay, so select here and hover your mouse on any of the lines and drag a bit down, so you can see it has increased. And if you notice, the text are aligned to the bottom, but I can decide to say I want the text to be aligned to the middle because the cells are now wider. So I come to my ribbon, I select middle align. All right, it's looking nice now. What else can we do? We can also, we've already seen how to match cells. We did just that now. This is our fill color. So this allows you to fill a cell with a color of your choice. So let's say I like to fill this top with a fill color, right? So I can choose this color here. Let me make it a bit dark. Okay, so that's that. I can see I want this part to be slightly light gray. I come here, I choose the light gray. Okay, you can see looking nice, right? So this is the font color. This one will just change the color of your text, right? It won't paint the whole cell. So if I want to change the color of the text here, I can use this and say, okay, give me a red. Okay, you can see. Awesome. um, if you like to increase the um, font size, you can choose anyone you want, select all of them and say, okay, I want fonts, the 12 fonts. Okay, so it has increased. What else can we do? So today let's just do a little bit of the higher uh, version of this lesson, which is the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting allows you to use rule to achieve some certain objective. For instance, I have this salary here, and maybe I want any salary that is above um, 15,000 naira, okay, or above 20,000 naira to be painted in green color. Automatically Excel can do that for us. So how do I do that? I'll just select this the whole of the cells where I want to apply the format to, and then I come here, I click on conditional formatting, right? Then I can select highlight cells rules, and then I can say greater than, right? I can say greater than. Let me choose that. So the cell is already highlighted, and what I'll now do is format cells that are greater than 20,000. All right, what should it do if it finds any cell that is greater than 20,000? I'm saying change the color, the fill color, change it to green. Okay, light green. Okay, so you can see automatically the color has changed to green. Okay, so I can also say format cell that has salary of less than, okay, it's greater than now. Let's do less than 10,000 naira. Oh, I'm saying naira, it's 10,000. Okay, so I say give it a color, give it the red color, no, or give it blue. Okay, so you can see it just does that. Very easy, right? Very easy. So quite a whole number of things that we can learn, but I intend to drop this in short video clips so that we can easily understand it as we move on. A lot of content that I'll be dropping very soon also we include how to present in Microsoft PowerPoint, how to use ChatGPT to easily create presentation from start to finish, and then insert it into your PowerPoint. But for now, I mean, these are all workplace skills that you need to know. But for now, we are starting with basic elementary Excel knowledge. All right. If you think that this video has helped you or has helped you, I mean, to be better in terms of your knowledge of Microsoft Excel, please just go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Like this video and also share it. Till we meet again in my next video, please have a very good time. Bye.